Have you ever wondered how your favorite lipstick is made? From vibrant colors to smooth textures, every swipe is the result of precision, chemistry, and creativity. Today, we uncover the fascinating process that turns raw ingredients into the bold beauty essential we all know and love. Get ready to see how lipstick is made. Lipstick is made from combination of several ingredients. The primary ingredients of lipstick are wax, oil, and pigment. Wax provides the structure and cylindrical shape to the lipstick. The wax involves combination of three types: beeswax, carnauba wax, and candelilla wax. The right combination of these waxes ensures the lipstick glides smoothly over the lips. It also ensures the hardnesses and melting point of lipstick. Oils add moisture, smoothness, and shine to the lipstick. Some popular oils used are castor, jojoba, and mineral oil. Pigment provides the color and opacity of the lipstick. Pigment can be natural or synthetic. Some additional ingredients also added to improve the texture, longevity, and scent of the lipstick, such as emollients to soften the lips and prevent dryness, antioxidants to protect the skin from damage, preservatives to prevent bacterial growth, fragrances to add a pleasant scent, and flavorings for taste, especially in lips glosses. A controversial myth about lipstick production is that manufacturers uses whale fat as a wax ingredient. Is it true? Yes. Manufacturers used whale fat as a wax ingredient, but not today's. In the past, some cosmetic products used spermaceti, a waxy substance from whale's sperm, but this practice has been discontinued for decades due to the production of whales and the rise of synthetic alternatives. Today, most lipsticks are made using synthetic ingredients, plant-based oils and waxes like beeswax or carnauba wax. The use of animal-derived ingredients in cosmetics is highly regulated, and many brands avoid them entirely due to ethical and environmental concerns. In the manufacturing process, the first major step in lipstick production is melting and mixing the ingredients. The dry colors are mixed with mineral oil to prepare the pigment. The ratio of dry colors ensure different shades of lipstick, and oil helps to blend and decompose the pigment. To mix the pigment more evenly, mixture is passed through roller pins. This process is repeated 3 times to flatten out the clumped particles. Once the pigment is prepared, the combination of waxes is put into castor oil in a container, where these ingredients are heated and carefully mixed using propeller. The temperature of the ingredients is maintained at around 80 degrees Celsius to melt the ingredients smoothly. While mixing, some additional ingredients also added. Once the base mixture is dissolved, the prepared pigment is put into a hot mixture and mixed until a uniform color and consistency is obtained. The mixing process is critical as it ensures that the pigment is evenly distributed throughout the base, giving the lipstick consistent color and texture. Factories use precise machines to control temperature and mixing speed. Once the mixture reaches the right consistency, the quality control technician checks the sample of lipstick mixture to ensure the viscosity and shades of lipstick is fine. After that, the liquid mixture is filtered in a container. Now, it will be proceeded for cooling and molding, but it can also be stored for further molding. The melted lipstick mixture is then poured into metal mold to shape them into cylindrical shape. The molding frame is then transferred to a refrigeration unit, where the liquid is cooled around 0 degrees Celsius so the liquid mixture freezes and solidifies into an iconic shape. After cooling, the lipstick is carefully removed from the molds. It is important that the lipstick maintains its shape and a smooth surface, free from cracks or imperfections. The lipstick is then inspected for quality. Every single tube must meet strict standards for appearance and texture before moving to the next stage. Once the lipstick is perfectly molded, it is ready to be inserted into its packaging. This is done with the help of automated machines that press the lipstick bullet into the casing. Each lipstick case is carefully inspected to ensure it is properly aligned and functional. After quality checks, the lipstick is capped and labeled with brand logos and product information. The final step in this process is packaging the lipstick into boxes and preparing them for shipment to stores. From here, they are delivered to beauty counters around the world. So this was the entire process of how lipstick is made. From raw ingredients to beautiful tube you carry in your purse. Next time you swipe on your favorite color, you must know the science and care behind every lipstick. If you found this video informative, like, share, comment and subscribe for more updates into such fascinating videos.